Your savings account might be quietly making you poorer every single year. Here's the shocking reason. Imagine saving $10,000. But its buying power keeps shrinking without you spending a cent. That's called inflation. Prices go up. But your cash often doesn't grow fast enough. If your bank pays 1%, but inflation is 3%, you're actually losing money. It doesn't feel like a loss because the number in your account still looks bigger. Think of money like ice. If it grows slower than inflation, it slowly melts away. Many people believe saving alone creates wealth. That's one of the biggest money myths. Savings protect your money. Investing helps your money grow over time. That's why wealthy people don't keep all their cash sitting in one bank account. Instead, they spread money across investments designed to outpace inflation. Even investing a few dollars every week can make a huge difference over decades. This happens because your returns start earning returns. That's compound growth. The earlier you start, the less money you actually need to invest. Still, don't invest your emergency fund. Keep 3 to 6 months of expenses in savings. Use savings for safety. Use investing for building long-term wealth. Don't let inflation quietly steal your future. Follow for smarter money tips and save this before you forget.